Class. All right, so we're gonna do a roll call. If I call your name, I want to hear Anum Eba. When you hear your name, what I want to hear is Anum Eba. Okay? So Ahambo, Net, Ogochuku, or higher. And I'm sure all of you by now, you know how to say your name. All of you know how to say your name. I don't want any noise. Nobody's talking. And I want everybody to open their videos. I want to be looking at you. Brian, Chiamaka, Chika, Chiman, Obi, Dozier, all of you, Emmanuel. Okay, Emmanuel video is on. Guys, I need to see your video. We have an important class to do. Ike, Cheesy, Ezine, I need all of you to open your video. Now I'm gonna do a roll call. When you hear your name, Eno Ahage. When you hear your name means Eno Ahage. Gisi Anom Eba means I am here. If you not respond to me, then I will know you're not here. And even if you're here, I will take you out of the class. So when you hear your name, say Anom Eba. Okay, I want to hear Anom Eba. Some people are still calling in late. I don't know. Still admitting some people. All right, so Chico Koye. So I want you to unmute. I gave you permission to unmute yourself. Then when you hear your name, I want to hear Anom Eba means I am here. All right, Chika Okoye.
Yes. Anem Eba.
Good, Dalu Chika. Adanne Idiga. I said everybody unmute yourself. That way you don't have to be struggling. Adanne Idiga.
Anem Eba.
Okay. Obiekezie Ozibo.
Anam Eba.
Dalo. Chiamaka Nwekwu.
Anom Eba.
Dalo Chiamaka. Chima Okafo. Chima and Obi. Can you guys?
Anem Eba.
Yeah, Dalu Chima Obi.
Anem Eba.
Dalu Obi. Yeah. Chibusama Adora.
Eba.
Dalu Chibusama. Chinaya ala echezatala maha my son. Chinaya, chetara maha your son because I have you here not there.
Abum Eba.
Chidubem, yes. Chidubem as a Chidubem in Eba. Yeah. Dalu Chidubem. Cheesy. Cheesy on Eba. Cheesy. Cheesy. Speak up.
I'm Eba.
Anom Eba, Dalu Cheesy. Chisom and Chimde. Chisom in Eba, Chisom answer. Chisom, unmute yourself. Chisom, you need to speak up. Kusho Kwike. Chimde on Eba. Chimde.
Yes.
Okay, what are you supposed to say?
Can you please repeat what you said?
When I call your name, I want you to answer Anom Eba. It means I am here. I want to make sure you are in the class. If you say anam eba, can you say that?
Anam eba.
Dalo. Chukwode Honora.
Anam eba.
Dalo Chukwode. Dozie iheme.
Amnum eba.
Dalo dozie. Chisom. Anoghị m ihe i kwuru. Chisom. Chimde's sister. Chisom.
Anam eba.
Dalo Chisom. Dalo good. Emmanuel. Miriam.
Anam eba.
Dalo Emmanuel. Let me see. Godwin. Godwin.
Anam eba.
Dalo Godwin. Ihe dị m n'uche.
Anam eba.
Dalo ihe dị m n'uche. Wonderful. Ikenna.
Anam eba.
I need to move away or mute your this and Dalo Ikenna. Neduchi.
Anam eba.
Dalo Neduchi. I think I'm missing some people. Let me see. Cheesy. Cheesy.
Anam eba.
Dalo Cheesy. If you know I miss your name, raise your hand. I think I missed a couple of them. Who? Some people didn't show up to class. Okay, I see. Neka, you're just coming in. Neka, Ofia. That's Enuma. Enuma. Enuma, Ofia.
Yes.
When you hear your name, say Anam Eba. Enuma.
Yes.
Enuma, you have supposed to tell me I am here, meaning Anam Eba.
Okay. Anam eba.
Okay, what does that mean, Enuma?
I am here.
Good job. Adanne Diga, did I call you? Adanne.
Yes, you already called me.
All right, good. So if you know the Uchenna Ohaya. Uchenna.
Anam eba.
Okay, Uchenna, I need to move away from your brother or mute your listen. Don't stay together. If you're using different devices with your siblings, so you need to move away because when you're too close, it's going to be echoing. All right, so if you didn't hear your name, raise your hand. I see somebody coming in. Chiamaka. If you did not hear your name, raise your hand. Then let me go over because we do roll call to make sure that all of you are here. A couple of you missed class. About 10 people didn't come to class from this class because I divided you guys now. It's not going to be 100 in one class anymore. So I have several classes every Saturday. So now everybody, you need to pay attention. We're going to be doing interaction and teaching class. And interaction means I ask you a question in Igbo, you respond to me because by now you're supposed to know most of the things, okay? All right, so remember our question will be toward the end. All right, I'm going to share a page with you right now. And last time we did something like we did interaction and we did some of the pronouns. And you know pronouns, and I'm going to ask you guys questions. If you know it, raise your hand. We did pronouns last time, and I'm expecting you guys to know what they are. So when it comes to the pronouns, we have mine, me, they, she, he, it, other things. You, you are, you all, them, we, so all those things. These are pronouns. And pronouns is something that replaces someone's name, okay, that replaces a noun. And you all know that it replaces a noun. If you want to say, Ihe dim nuche is coming, instead of saying Ihe dim nuche's name, you say, Nadia. Replaces he, she, it. You know that. So you all should know that. And we're going to do a couple of examples, and I will ask you a question. And you know what? I'm expecting you to know it because we did it already. We did it already. Now we're going to do like conjugation. And conjugation is mixing it, trying to make a sentence with those pronouns, okay? That's what conjugation is all about. The same way we do it in English, it is the same in Igbo. Now, this is what we're doing. We're gonna do conjugation today. Trying to use those pronouns to make sentences. And listen to me, this is the class where you learn. This is not a class, I want you to be shy. Don't be shy. You don't know it. This is a way to tell me, Auntie, amagim, Auntie, I don't know it. Amagim, ya. Amagim, ya means I don't know it. Then I will tell you what it is. Do not keep quiet because I want you to learn, okay? Don't feel shy. I'm here to help you, please. All right. And by now, remember I told you, don't forget to know this. Ahambo, my name is, you say your name. Abum onye, abum means I am from. You say your village, your town. You need to go to your parents and get this information if you don't know it already. But you're supposed to know it. Ahambo, because I'm gonna ask every one of you a question next week. And you know what? You're supposed to know it. Ahambo, when I say, oh, enuma, gini ba ahage, onye epeke. Or when I say, oh, Ike, or Ikenna, or I say, Chukwude, gini ba ahage, onye epeke. Chukwude, we say, ahambo Chukwude, honor. Abum onye, you say your village, you say here. You say your town. Nkenona, the one that is, it said, which is the local government. Nkenona, you say your local government area. Then the state in Nigeria. So you need to get this information. You're supposed to know it. I know most of you know it already. And remember, some of you will be moving to intermediate class. So when I finish my assessment, which is I'm doing one by one, it's gonna take time. Then I'm gonna move most of you before December. Then in January, you're starting a new class. So do your best, learn what you're supposed to learn, okay? Now, the Igbo pronouns. We say nkem means mine. Nkem means mine. So when we say now, the M, me, so it's mine. Mine means nkem. It means it's mine. Nkem. Okay. When you say my book, my father, my mom. So my father is, who will tell me what is my father? Raise your hand. What's my father? If you know it, raise your hand. How do you say my father? Chiamaka, again, oh, my father.
You can say papam or I forgot how to say the other one, papam.
What is the other one? Dozie, again, with the other one.
I don't know the other one, but I was going to say papam.
Papam, yes, both of you are right, but then there's another one. What is my father? You can say papam or, okay, here the nuche. Here the nuche, again, with the other one.
Nem.
No, namu, my mom.
Oh, nam.
Nam, dalo. You can say papam. So that's papam. Or nam. Nam, That's how you say that. Now, when you say akwụkwọ, my book, akwụkwọ, who will tell me how to say my bag? Somebody, if Emara ya weli akelu means if you know it, raise your hand. My bag, what is it? I want to make sure everybody knows this before we move on. What is my bag? Raise your hand if you know it. Chudubem, unmute yourself. What is my bag? Chidubem, go ahead, baby.
Nam.
No. My bag, Chidubem. Chidubem, do you see what I'm talking about? My bag. Not my dad. Look on the screen. Bag.
Give us a bag.
Your boo bag. Your boo bag. Huh?
Apam.
What?
Apam.
Yay! Apam. Dalu Chidubem. Apam. You see that? Apam. Apam. My bag. Apam. My bag. Okay, I have one more. Let me see who's gonna get it. My food. What is my food? Let me see who's gonna tell us what it is. My food. Chidubem answered. I'm gonna ask another person. And Neduchi, you know my food. Neduchi.
Nerem.
Huh?
Nerem.
No. Say it again.
Nerem. Wait.
No, I can't hear you. That's not. Can you repeat it again? I want to make sure you're saying it right.
Nerem.
No, you're very close. Okay, let me ask. I didn't know if I've answered before. I want to get to some other people. Okay, cheesy. Cheesy, go ahead.
Needy. Wait, needy. Needim.
Rim, yes. I believe that's what she was trying to say. So it's rim. Rim, my food. Rim means food. Rim means what? Food. Now, who's gonna tell me? Let's see who's gonna get this one. My pot. My pot. Who knows it? My pot. Let me see. Nobody's raising hand. Oh my God. Guinea, my pot. Nedushi. Okay, I see Nedushi.
Item.
Item. Yeah. Dalo Nedushi. Yes. Item. There you go. So everybody, if you're still confused, I believe we did a couple of them. It's supposed to help you. Item. So ite means pot. My pot. And if you look here, mine comes last when you're saying it. The subject or the object is first or a noun, okay? So I need you to know that. My pot. My pot. Now we're gonna move on to mo. And mo means me. Mo means me. Mona ndidi. Mona norma. Me and the norma. You see that? Mo, me. In English, you and I. That is grammatically correct. That is the right way to say it. But when it comes to Igbo, language, Igbo words, the way it's supposed to be is the other way around. You reverse it, okay? It's me and you when it comes to Igbo. But if it's in English word, English language, it's gonna be, if I wanna say Chinenye and I, Chinenye and I. That is the way it's supposed to be. But when you're saying it in Igbo, it's going to be me first before Chinenye. So if I'm saying it first, let's say, I'm going to say Chika and I. But then in Igbo, it will be me and Chika. Okay, so that's why it's gonna be here. Me and you. But it's supposed to be you and I. I don't want you to miss this. So here in English, it's supposed to be you and I. But I put here me and you. In English, me and you is not the correct grammar. People do say it, but it's supposed to be you and I. Okay, you and I. So, but I put it me and you here. That way you don't get confused. It's supposed to be you and I. But in Igbo, it's me and you. All right, so know that here. So let me put it here. This is the way it's supposed to be. You and I. That's the way it's supposed to be. But in Igbo, it's you, me and you. Mo nage, gaga kwokwo. When I say you and I will go to school, this is how you're gonna say it. You and I will go to school. You and I will go to school. So it's going to be mo. Don't forget, I said when it comes to mo, you come first when you're saying something to somebody else. Okay, so I'm gonna ask a question because I'm gonna make sure that you guys are following. Okay. You and I. If you write it the way it is, it's gonna begin a mo. No, that is wrong. It's gonna be monage ga aga. Monage ga aga akwụkwọ. All right, so I want somebody to tell me, let me see how you're gonna say it. Okay, who's gonna tell me this? Them and I are here. Them and I. Let me see who is gonna get it. Just try. Try something. Them and I hear them nuche ngwa.
Muna ha na ebia.
I hear. What is here?
Eba.
Okay, say it again. Repeat the sentence again.
Muna ha no eba.
Yeah. Thank you, Yadim Nuche. Yes. Muna ha no eba. Muna ha no eba. Okay? We are here. So it will also be we are here, but I'm trying to help you guys learn how to say it when it comes to me. The word me, which is a mo. Okay? Muna ha no eba. If I say, hey, you had the Munucha, where are they? You hear the Munucha said, there, okay, me and them, which is they and I, we are here. Them. So you need to learn to use these words. I want you to know the difference when you are using me with other things. You come first, which is mo. But in English, it's different. It's the other way. All right, so I believe we got it. Now, I'm going to remove the... Okay, who is gonna tell me? You and I came. You and I came. Who's gonna make a sentence? You and I came. Somebody raise your hand and help us out here. No, you heard them Nuche answered. Now another person. Chika, I want to try. Chika ngwa. Chika ngwa nwa okay.
So you say make a sentence with you and I.
You and I, yes, Chika.
Okay.
Just try, okay?
Okay. Munagi.
You and I came. Yeah, keep on. You're on the right track. Munagi.
Came.
Munagi.
I'm trying to think. I was trying to think of a place.
Munagi.
Munagi.
What is came?
Came. Came is isn't Munagi the same thing as you and I, me and you?
Yeah, but the came. Okay, you try, Chika. Let me see who's gonna help you out. Now somebody help Chika out here. Chika did a good job, Chika Dalo. Dozier ngwa help Chika out here.
Munage ebia.
No, munage gene. Say it again. Munage.
Munage ebia.
It's a past tense. Remember, it's a past tense. How do you use the word past tense there?
Okay. Let me see.
Okay. How do you say I don't know it, Chika? Dozier.
I want to get this. I'm trying to think.
Okay, try. Munage. What is
Munage? Yeah. Or
no, you're missing this little thing there. Let me see. Okay, so Chidubem. Let somebody help. Dozier, you try. Good job. Somebody help. Okay, Chidubem. It should have been there. Okay, Chibusama.
Munagi biara.
Munagi biara. Yes. That word came means biara. That's a past tense. Munagi biara. It means you and I came. You and I came. So munagi biara dalo. Chibusama. All of you did very well. That is good. Munagi biara. Okay, I'm gonna do another one. How do you say Dozier and Chukwode? Welcome. Who is gonna tell us this? Who is going to tell us how to say this? All right, I see 4 people raising hand. Oh, whoa, 5. I'm gonna ask somebody that hasn't said anything here. She goes, who is Chukwode ngwa. How do you say?
Dozier
Your name is there already.
Dozier na Chukwudi na bia.
Dozier na Chukwudi. What?
Nabia.
No, it's not Nabia. Nabia means, okay. This
Gabia.
Gabia, yes. Dalu Chukwudi. This is future. This is future tense. Thank you, Chukwudi. It means you're paying attention. Okay. Dozier na Chukwudi. Dozier na Chukwudi. Na abia. No, Gaabia. Gaabia. Now, I need somebody else to tell me this. Chidubem. Chidubem na Chika.
Yes.
Chidubem and the Chika. Well, are coming. Who is going to try?
Answer, are you saying my name?
Yeah, no, that's okay. I use your name to make a sentence. I need somebody to tell me how to say it. And I see so many hands. Okay, let me try. Chidubem, you've answered the question. Okay, let me let Chidubem say it. Chidubem Mungwa. Is Chidubem there? Chidubem, you're muted. Chidubem, I can't hear you. Okay, Neduchi. Neduchi.
I just want to say something.
Huh?
I wanted to say something.
Who is talking?
It's me. It's Nadichi.
Neduchi, what do you have to say?
I just wanted to say that today's my birthday.
Ah, happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
End of the class, okay? Okay, Neduchi, at the end of class, we are going to wish you happy birthday. So we wait until the end, okay?
Okay.
All right, if I forget, tell me, but we're gonna wish you happy birthday at the end. All right, everybody, we're gonna sing happy birthday at the end, but not now. Let's reserve it. But thank you for telling us. Good job. Good. All right, and if any other person, if you know you have a birthday, let us know, okay? And you guys, please always tell me ahead of time so that Auntie will send a card to you wishing you happy birthday. Don't forget, tell me 2 weeks ahead of time. You can text me or you can call me and let me know so that I will know and send something. Please, please. All right, so somebody should tell us how to say Chidubem and Chika are coming. Let me see. Chigozrem, okay. Answer the question.
I just also wanted to say that it after next week is also my birthday.
You need to call me because I wanna write it down, okay?
Next week Friday.
Okay. Call me. Okay, guys, listen. It will be after class. Call me to let me know. Unless if you have a birthday today, after class, let me know. But if you don't have a birthday today, then call me or text me your name and tell me your birthday. That way I'll write it down. Okay, guys? So let's finish.
Hello, sister. Good evening.
Good evening.
Sorry, I lost your contacts. I just want to know if he's in the right class. On a class in because some husband send the link.
Okay. Wait a minute.
Oh, Chinelo, one leg one.
Chinelo, your class, yes. But you
change the time.
Yes, we did. Messenger send the number, okay?
Okay, because my job's in contact.
No problem. Oh, no problem.
All right, sis.
All right. Okay, so now listen. Somebody was supposed to answer this question. Who was that? Okay, let me ask. We are not hearing you. Chiamakangwa, answer the question. Is Chiamaka there?
Chidubem na Chika Nabia.
Yay! Chidubem na Chika Nabia. Dalu Chiamaka, that's awesome. Chidubem na Chika Nabia. Okay, I'm going to mute everybody because the noise is getting too much. All right, so I muted everybody now. All right, so now there's another one here because I want to get to the third one. I want to make sure I'm taking it slow because I want to make sure you guys are learning something and using this, conjugating it well. Chuka and I are here. Muna chuka no eba. Muna chuka no eba. All right. So one more before we start asking questions. So all is she, he, it. That's what it is. He, she, it. Okay. So when you say he will come, she will come, it is here. She is coming. She came. She is coming. He came. All right, so he is coming. I need somebody. I'm not gonna, if you've said something before, I need to give others opportunity to say something. So I'm going to do the first one. Here we come. You see that? Ọ ga-abịa. Here we come. Ọ ga-abịa. Maybe Andrew will come, or Neduchi will come, or Obi will come. You see that? So this all represents somebody's name, which is the noun, the subject or object, okay? So now, somebody tell me how to say she is coming. Let me see. I'm not gonna ask you if you've already said something. I want others to talk. Just try something. Neka, which is enuma ngwa. Unmute yourself, enuma. I saw Enuma raising her hand. Enuma, are you here? Oh.
Can I try?
Is Enuma here? Okay.
Can I try?
Who is talking?
Obi Ekeze.
Okay, Obiangwa. Try. She is coming. How do you start it?
Go
ahead.
Nabia.
Oh, Nabia Dalubi. That's good. Oh, Nabia. Okay. And who is going to try? It is here. It is here. Ihedumnuche. Unmute. Ihedumnuche. Unmute yourself. I thought I saw you raising your hand. Okay. Chidubem, I see your hand up. Is Chidubem raising hand? Chidubem, go ahead.
Koya.
Anna. Eba.
Anna Eba. Dali Chidubem, awesome. Anna Eba. Dalo, my dear. Okay, who's gonna tell me? Okay, with this she is coming. She will come. And who's gonna do that one? Somebody? I need somebody to tell me she will come. Come on, guys, you have to talk, you have to learn. I want to make sure that everybody knows what we are saying. I want to make sure all of you that you are learning. Okay, Dozier. Unmute yourself, Dozier. She will come. Dozier, are you here?
You unmuted me, not Dozier.
Oh, I muted you. Okay, not Dozier. Okay, Chukwode, Ngwan. Chukwode, go ahead.
Ogiabia.
Huh?
Ogiabia.
She will come. Ogabia. Dalu Chukwode. Ogabia. Wonderful. He came. He's gonna tell us that. Come on, guys. You guys are doing great. He came. Who will tell us that? Kedonye why he came. All right, let me see. Let me give Dozier. Let's see if you're gonna tell us this time. Dozier, mute.
Auntie, I was trying to answer the other question, but you muted me.
I'm sorry, okay. I'm gonna go ahead. Can you try this?
Okay.
one?
Yeah, I'll try this one. Biara.
Biara, yeah. Biara, yes, 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 yes. Wow, awesome, guys. You guys are awesome. Biara, dalon. Great job. Okay, so next time we're gonna start from where we stopped at. I want to take it slow this time because I want to make sure you guys are following. And I can see you guys are really learning. You're doing very well. And do me a favor, make sentences with this. Learn. I want you to do a good job. So what you need to do, the remaining ones, and the ones we did already, use the me, more, or make more sentences. Make sentences and send to me. Make up your own sentences with me, more, and all. I'm going to send it out as your homework. You're going to make sentences with this. So it's gonna be your homework. So homework is going to be with a, more, and all right. We say make 3 sentences. Okay, each with memo and all. So that's gonna be all together 15. No, that's gonna be all together 9. So if you wanna make more, fine, because the more you do it, the better. You getting better all the time. All right, so this will be your homework. I will send it out. And please post it. I want to see your homework posted. Don't forget to do your homework. All right, now time for questions. We have 10 more minutes left. Kedu onye nwere ajụjụ? This is how we do it. Aha mbụ, you say your name. Enwere m ajụjụ, then you ask your question. All right, let's begin. Let me see. So I'm gonna get your hands down. Let me see, because I don't know if these hands were up before. All right, if you have a question now, raise your hand. If you have a question, raise your hand. Okay, Chibu Sama Ngwano, jụọ ajụjụ.
I am Chimbu Sama Honora. Where my juju?
Jụọ ajụjụ Chibu Sama.
How do you say me and my friend is going to come?
Me and my friends. So remember, when you're saying it in English, it's supposed to be my friend and I. Don't forget, okay? So it's going to be my friend and I. So we're gonna put it under here. My friend and I, that's what it's gonna be. So Chibu-sama wanna know how to say my friend. My friend and I, complete it, Chibu-sama, we do what? My friend and I are
coming.
Okay. All right. So, then Chibu-sama, remember what I said. You is mu, remember I. So when you're trying to say me, my friend and I, so this I is representing you, which is me here, okay? So you're going to say, Muna enyim, friend means enyi. You say, Muna enyim, you see that, your friend. Remember this mine is me. Muna enyim na abia, coming is abia. You got it, Chibu-sama. Muna enyim na abia. That's what it is. Okay, so any other person? Chiamaka, okay. Chiamaka nwere ajụjụ. Chiamaka, can you unmute? Unmute yourself.
Ahambo Chiamaka enwere m ajụjụ.
Ngwa jụọ ajụjụ Chiamaka.
I just want to know how to say like in the or the store, or you know.
How to say what?
Like just the.
What do you say? Want to know how to say?
THE, the, like I'm going to the store. Yeah, I'm going
to. Okay, yeah, it's dancing. Listen, like if you want to say the book, is that what you're saying?
Yeah, like something just the, like.
Okay, that there is okay, so what's that? Akwụkwọ. the book. Akwụkwọ ahụ, okay? There is ahụ. Now,
So if I was gonna,
this is ahụ. You see that?
so if I was gonna say, Muna nem jere, like store, the store, like.
Mụ na nne m jere na ụlọ ahịa, okay? My mom and I went to the store. All right. Mụ na nne m gara na. Okay. There, here, depending on the content of the sentence, when you say the store, now, if there is alone, it's gonna be ahụ. But if you wanna say mụ na nne m, my mom and I, it's gonna be na mụ na nne m. Or you can say mamam. Mụ na nne m or mamam. Oh, come on. Mụ na nne m or mụ na mamam. Some people will say jere, can say jere, or you can say gara. It is the sentence. Na ụlọ ahịa, a store is where they sell things. So that's why I call it ahịa. Market is ahịa, where they sell stuff, whether it's grocery, whether it's other stuff, it's ahịa. Where the places you go to purchase things you use is called ahịa, which is market. And store is also market. So mụ na nne m or mụ na mamam jere, or you can say gara, ahịa. You got it, Chiamaka?
Down.
Email. Okay, let's see who else has a question. Let me see. Okay, Chica. Go ahead, Chica. Unmute yourself. Uh-oh. What's Chica? Chica disappeared. Chica, did I unmute you? I don't see Chica anymore. Okay. Chica, are you there? All right, well, 1 second, Chica. Dozie, while I'm still waiting for Chica. Dozie, go ahead.
But Dozie iheme and with them ajuju.
Ngwa
And to Biko, are you going to post this
Absolutely.
lesson on YouTube? And then
No,
also
I'm going to post the class notes. Remember the forum we have, which is WhatsApp forum. And you are there, aren't you?
wait,
Did I put you on the WhatsApp forum?
No.
Okay, I'm going to add you. That's where I post all the notes. And then I will post the video. Why I stopped posting videos? Because some people miss class. They miss class. They want to go there to watch the video. They don't want to show up to class. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to just post it to the, so I started restricting it because I need you people to come to class and learn and not just being lazy to come to class. So I'm going to put the video on YouTube. You get the link.
Okay. Because the last class, I missed it because you changed the time.
Yes.
I didn't know the time would change. So
this is going to be the time from now onward. So I'm going to post the last class and then this one. So you get the YouTube link and then you get it. And I will also add you to the forum, okay? Okay. All right. Email address. Let me see if you can get one more person in. I have another class. Let's see. Chisum or Chimde. Unmute yourself. Chisum or Chimde. Two of you are using the same device. Okay, go ahead.
My sister wants to ask, how do you say dog in Igbo?
Okay, you need to say your name first and say, I have a question.
I found with Chisom. I imagine.
Okay, Chisom, one.
My sister wanted to ask.
Okay, now, who is your sister?
Chiamaka.
Chiamaka, I want Chiamaka to be the one to ask the question. Come on, Chiamaka, go ahead.
How do you say dog in Igbo?
Dog? How do you say what, Chiamaka?
Dog in Igbo.
Okay, Chisom, what did she say? I didn't hear her very well.
She actually said dog. Dog.
Oh, dog. Okay, Chiamaka, dog. Okay, let's say my dog. My dog. Dog means nketa. Chiamaka, can you say that? Nketa. 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 Say it again.
Nketa.
Yes. So nketam. Nketam. You see that? You see, my dog is nketam. But if you don't want to say my dog, if you just want to say dog, it's just nketa. Dog. We're gonna do animals, all the names of animals, okay? This is how you say dog. Nketa. Nketa.
Nketa.
Then my dog is nketam. You got it? Chiamaka, you got it now?
Yes.
All right. Okay, so let's move it up. Okay. All right, so this is it, guys. I will post it, but make sure you do the homework. If you do not understand the homework, make sure you ask questions. All right. So I'm going to unmute everybody because I want to hear everybody say "Kemesio," and that means see you next time. So I'm going to start.
Happy birthday.
Okay, wait. Yeah, thank you, everybody. Don't go. Whose birthday is it again?
Me, Neduchi.
Neduchi. Everybody, please, let's sing happy birthday to Neduchi. 1, 2, go. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Neduchi.
Thank you, guys.
Yeah. So everybody, don't forget to send me your birthday. Happy birthday. Okay, everybody, Kemesiano.
Adios.
Adios.
Mm.
Adios. Adios.